Hi, watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, CM Bhagwant Singh Mann is going to lay foundation stone of new compressed biogas plant over here at a Habowal Dairy Complex in Ludhiana. It is to tackle the major problem of dairy waste entering the Buddha Darya over here. So very soon, CM Bhagwant Singh Mann, he will turn up over here and he will lay the foundation stone of new biogas plant over here at a Habowal Dairy Complex today. So it is around 580 MLD capacity of the biogas plant which will be constructed over here, and the new plant is expected to significant strengthen the efforts to manage the huge quantity of animal dung generated every day at the dairy complex. So earlier there was around 210 MLD of the plant which was operational over here, but due to its less capacity, there was need to construct another biogas plant, and this biogas plant was earlier announced in 2022 by Cabinet Minister Aman Arora, and today Bhagwant Singh Mann, he is going to lay the foundation stone of this new biogas plant. So at present, a 200 metric ton capacity biogas plant is already operational at Habowal. However, its capacity has not been sufficient to process the entire volume of dairy waste generated in the area. So with this new plant, the overall waste processing capacity of dairy complex will receive a major boost. So today, senior leadership, MLAs, chairmen of different committees, they are present over here and they will accompany CM Bhagwant Singh Mann in this event. The plant is expected to provide a major systematic mechanism for collection and processing of animal dung, reducing the need for indiscriminate dumping or discharge of dairy waste. So this is particularly significant for the Buddha Darya rejuvenation efforts, as dairy waste and animal dung entering the water body have remained a major concern. The Buddha Darya has long faced serious pollution challenges with untreated waste from different sources, contributing to the deterioration of its water quality. The new CBG plant is therefore being seen as an important intervention at source itself by ensuring that animal waste generated at the dairy complex is collected, processed and put to productive use rather than finding its way into the water body. The project, once operational, could not only help improve waste management at Habowal but also contribute to the larger effort to restore the Buddha Darya and improve the environment in Ludhiana. So all eyes will now be on the foundation stone ceremony and the timeline for completion of this new waste to energy initiative. So very soon, CM Bhagwant Singh Mann, he will turn up over here and he will lay the foundation stone of new CBG plant over here at a Habowal Dairy Complex in Ludhiana. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.